Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? So, the regime has announced their plans this week to crack down on air conditioning in order to fight G-warming. Air conditioning. The one thing the people of Florida actually cannot live without because it's like 115 degrees every single day. And they want to reduce the hydrofluorocarbons, or HFC, by 40% by 2028. Now, HFC is the chemical used for refrigeration and to keep your house cool in the summer. But don't worry, there are always these things. They're called ice fans. Yeah. Yeah, according to them, this is what they call progress. Meanwhile, the rest of the developing world is running their air at full blast. So they announced these plans to continue its reduction in these hydrofluorocarbons, releasing a new rule that aims to cut the United States use of the greenhouse gases by almost half starting next year. And these hydrofluorocarbon is a category of the greenhouse gases used for refrigeration and air conditioning, as well as a number of other applications. But it's all linked to G-warming. So the final rule was announced by the Environmental Protection Agency, and it will reduce the HFC consumption in the United States based on historic levels by 40% between 2024 and 2028. And the reduction will be on top of the 10% drop in HFC consumption that was implemented in 2022 under the bipartisan 2020 American Innovation and Manufacturing Act that sets the goal to reduce the production and consumption of HFCs by 85% by 2036. And this is in an effort to prevent a 0.5 degrees Celsius increase in global temperature by the next century. The next century. Okay. I'm worried about now. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But when it's 115 degrees right now, that's what I'm worried about. I'm worried about me and my husband, my kids and my grandkids being in the sweltering heat stroke. I don't know what else could possibly happen to a small child when it's 115 degrees out and we don't have AC. Not just that, because the hydrofluorocarbons also is in with a refrigerator and you don't have anything cold to drink. Tell me when I'm getting warm. Yeah, I'm getting warm. I need a smoothie. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you in the next one, okay? You stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping. And as always, fearless. Ciao.